Hey guys, Courtney Cole here. Hope you all are doing wonderful. Today is Friday, August 23rd, 2024. I want to welcome everyone swinging by for the first time. Or maybe you have been a follower for many, many years. You know, we opened our business back in 2010. Long, long time ago. And this is verifiable, by the way. If you look at this YouTube channel, you will see that it was created in 2011, and I also have another one called Cole's Credit Repair. So I think it's important that any company that you're dealing with has been established for a long time, has had the same credentials for the long time, including the repeated social media, the same email address, and so on. It's very, very important to deal with a trusted company like ours. And we do beat any competition, and you're going to see that in this video. So you want to stay tuned to the end of the video, because we've got a bunch of $99 specials going on that I have not put out in probably over a year. So you definitely want to check it out and see what you all can get. And this is basically for those who are on a budget. Maybe you have a friend or family member or coworker that you want to give a gift certificate to, and that's one thing that I wanted to bring out to you guys, is that I do accept the gift certificate. So what you would do simply is just prepay for whatever service. I would put the person's name on this gift certificate. It's downloadable, by the way. You can put it on bond paper, whatever you wish, and give it to somebody. But it will have the name, the date of expiry, the name of the service, and your name as well, and a special note. So I just wanted to offer that, and that's totally free of charge. Should you want to give somebody one of these packages or services. So, guys, I am super excited to bring this to the table. Be sure to like the video if you found value, and also share it out to at least 10 people, or as many as you can, far and wide, because I know everybody knows at least one person that can absolutely benefit from our products and services. Okay? So these expire. They're all $99 each. I do have a buy 3, get 1 free down here. And you can buy any 3 if you wish and get 1 free. And what I recommend, guys, is if you happen to buy 3, the get 1 I would do for the credit repair. Absolutely is my suggestion. So these expire September 6, 2024. So that way you guys get a payday in on the 1st, in case you get paid around that time. I think this would be perfect for anyone who is on a budget. So today I want to kind of explain. I did bullet points here, but I didn't explain each one, and that is what the purpose of the video is, for you guys to listen to the breakdown of each of these. So I'm going to run through this. There's quite a bit. There's an AI credit repair for 30 days, a 10 application grant blast. So let me I think probably the best thing to do is just explain these briefly. The AI credit repair is simply a software system that we use to generate credit reports for you. It's kind of a credit monitoring service. It includes $1 million in identity theft insurance. It's credit monitoring, so it'll alert you of any anything going on with your credit. It will also protect your SSN. It's a great little service. Now, that is a separate cost, a small fee. I believe it's like $39, which is a really good deal for 1 month. And of course, you can cancel at any time. But you're going to get the actual credit repair for the $99, which is where I come in and manage your account. So typically, you would sign up for the service, and then I would go in and dispute credit repair. Now, I don't just dispute it once. I dispute it every single week, because you get results every week. So that is the beauty of the AI credit repairs. They bring up your credit report. They deal with 3 bureaus. You don't have to mess with signing letters. You don't have to worry about printing anything out. You don't have to worry about mailing anything. The software does it all. I simply go in there and dispute everything on your credit report that is derogatory that the system brings up. So that is the $99 credit repair, and that lasts for 1 month. The 10 application grant blast. This here is a gem. It's a golden gem, let me tell you, because there are various websites that I'm subscribed to that will alert me when a grant comes out. Okay. And this is totally different from my grant service. Of course, the grant service, which is a targeted type niche, of course, is going to be additional, okay, because that entails the research, it entails doing the application for you, but also doing a business proposal and a persuasive letter. Okay, that service is different. That is coming on the next video, by the way. But this one here is different. This is something that happens within 30 days, and I will do about 2 to 3 grants per week, and I will do screenshots and everything. I will simply apply for you. I do the applications for you. These grants are not targeted. This is basic. Well, they could be. They can be either for business owners, personal grants. You can basically use the money for whatever you wish. Okay, and they're contests as well. There's a lot of companies that have grant contests that come out once a month, and of course they announce the winners and everything. So this is basically just a variety of type grants that you can win, anywhere from $500 on up to hundreds of thousands of dollars. Okay, so, and I do have a separate service for this grant blast service where you can get blasted to 20. Now, I individually go in and put your information. All we need is name, address, phone number, and email address for this. That's it. Okay, so that's all I need to go and do my thing, and I send you screenshots of everything, of the various contest type grants. And I do have that on a monthly basis where you can do it on a contingency, not contingency, on a what do you call it? Retainer. Okay, a monthly retainer. All right, where you pay me a few $100 to go and blast to 20 to 30 different places for you. And this is really important, guys, for grants, because you are absolutely going to increase your chances of getting grants. There are literally hundreds of thousands of dollars. Do your own research of grants available. There's even government grants, the SBA grants available right now. And I did a separate video, by the way, on this. Okay, so you guys want to definitely check it out, or you can email me at Cole'sCreditRepair1@gmail.com. So that there's $99, and normally I charge $500 for that, by the way. So I just want to let you guys know you're getting huge value. And to back up a second, the AI credit repair, I charge $350 for that. So $99, guys, where you can get any of these free, is a heck of a deal. The personal funding, this is a personal funding lender blast. We blast your application up to 100 lenders. We do it over the phone, so that way you're going to get screenshots, you're going to get confirmations in your email and text of all the places that we send it to. You will get pre-qualifications sent to you, and you will get approvals, okay, sent to you as well, funding approvals. All right, this is for your personal credit. All right, so that is something that is super, super valuable, which will give you a chance to get some cash in your pocket. All right, the 10 do-it-yourself packages of your choice. I have literally about almost 50 to choose from, but I will give you maybe, I don't know, 20 or 30 different to choose from, different packages in an email. This is really good because my do-it-yourself packages vary from foreclosure elimination to mortgage elimination, do-it-yourself credit repair. We've got 100 ways to get rid of student loans. I have how to get a new Social Security number, okay, package. We've got how to eliminate your car payments. I mean, all kinds of things, all kind of debt that you could think of, how to eliminate your credit cards or anything of that sort, okay. A lot of good deal, $99 for 10 of them, guys. Just you're going to get your choice. I will give you a choice of 20, okay, to choose from. Normally, these packages cost about $250 each, so that's a heck of a value, okay? The next one is a 2-hour consultation fee for anything financial. This could be questions about do-it-yourself package, questions about credit repair, questions maybe about your financial situation. Maybe you need to plan out your financial situation for the rest of the year. Maybe you have questions about budgeting. And speaking of which, I do have a financial planner that's already printable to give to you with your purchase before the end of August, by the way. Free financial planner. You got to make sure that you request it. But this is so awesome, guys. You can actually put everything, all your bills down. You could, as for budgeting, for expenses, for planning vacations. It's got calendars, all kinds of stuff. Yours totally free in a PDF that gets sent to you. And that will be with your purchase before August 31st, 2024. But the 2-hour consultation, like I said, that could be totally anything financial at all. Okay, so absolutely. Normally, my consults start at $199. Okay, so $99 for a good deal. The do-it-yourself free car and zero car payment e-course. Okay, so this includes videos, it includes all the letters. Guys, I'm telling you, you're getting such huge value. I charge a minimum of $500 for this e-course. You can get it for $99 today. Okay, and what this package will do is enable you to learn how to get a car completely free, and absolutely, yes, you can do it using consumer laws. I would not put my business on the line if that were false. Do your own research, but I can also send you some information on that as well. You can email me at ColdScreditRepair1@gmail.com. You can also eliminate your car payments. Did you know that car payments are totally illegal? Okay, they're actually voluntary. Okay, every loan, by the way, is illegal. Every loan on the planet is illegal. Okay, trust me when I tell you this, guys. And of course, do your own research. But we also have testimonials. I have one video testimonial of a client who got their car free, and they show all kinds of results and stuff. But you're going to get in this package, you are going to get all of the letters that you need. You're going to get videos and the guide through. Now, as far as personal assistance is concerned, that is extra. But that is a great little course, a great little knowledge to have under your belt. And guys, I want you to think in terms of some gifts here for some. Everybody wants a free car, pretty much. Everybody. The things that I offer, guys, I want to tell you something. The things that I offer, these services, is pretty much everybody needs, everybody wants, everyone desires. Okay, I only offer things that are absolutely critical and, trending things, things that are on people's minds these days. Normally, the number one thing and the worry for people are finances. Well, guys, please do your friends and family a favor and send them this video or gift them, okay, one of these services. $99. My goodness, guys, you are getting huge value here. Even to eliminate their mortgage, you guys understand that is absolutely priceless. In my mortgage elimination services, you eliminate not only all the payments tied to the mortgage, that includes the property taxes, any liens against the mortgage, okay? This is the do-it-yourself package. It's got the walkthrough and everything that you need to be able to do that. And yes, you can do that. Why? Because all loans are fraudulent. And did you know you can actually get in trouble for paying on a fraudulent loan? So I would absolutely get rid of it any way that I can. My mortgage package normally starts at $500. It can be yours today for $99, or it could be free. Okay? All right, so on to the next one, add 2 primary trade lines to boost your score. So this would be on the SSN, your Social Security number. So say, your score is 600 right now and you need a 650 or 680 in order to get a loan. We could add a couple trade lines onto that. Okay, that would be anywhere from maybe a self-lender or a credit strong. Maybe it can be, a credit card that we can add on there. We can add maybe a Fingerhut, we can add a Sears, maybe Victoria's Secret, something like that. And what I would do is I would go in and sign you up for one of these, cards, okay? And it will show up on your credit report to the 3 credit bureaus, all right? And that's going to automatically boost your score, guaranteed. Okay, and by the way, speaking of guarantees, all of our services are guaranteed or your money back. You're going to see some kind of action going on. Okay, so you do not have to worry about, anything being a scam. All right. And if you guys are on the fence or questionable, do request a phone call with me. I want you to email me at colescreditrepair1@gmail.com and put your phone number there, and I'll be more than happy to call you. I like and prefer to talk to all my clients before they purchase any products or services. I don't mind giving you guys a call so that way you know that I am real. And of course, you can see in some of the videos that I've done some live streams, okay, with me talking for proof of that, okay? So we have inquiry removal up to 20 inquiries on 3 bureaus. So what this is basically, I will take your credit report and pull the 20 inquiries, the ones that are the oldest to the most recent, and I would literally go do the service for you. Okay, these are letters that will go to the 3 credit bureaus. Normally I charge about, I don't know, it could be anywhere from $300 to $500 or more. For the service for yours for $99. So if you have your credit report full of inquiries, especially if you have more than 3, you definitely need this service. And we have lots of clients that have excessive inquiries, especially if you have over 10 or more. That is not good. They are literally worth 3 to 8 points each that take off your credit score. So I would go and check your credit report. And by the way, if you want a free way to get your credit, you can Google that, of course, or you can email me at colescreditrepair1@gmail.com. Now, just to let you guys know, if you do the credit repair or anything credit repair related, I do charge a consultation fee. Okay, so just to let you guys know, that's even with any of these services here. The consult is not included. Of course, I got to get paid for my time, but I do discount that as well. So if you want a consultation, it's well worth getting a credit repair analysis. And I do that over the phone, or I could do it through email. The late payment removal up to 20 is very similar to inquiries, but I take your late payments and I go and do this administrative process. Okay, so I actually go and get the letters and do that for you, and I do them manually. Okay, so late payments can take up to 35% of your credit score. Guys, that's almost half. So if you have more than one late payment, you need either credit repair or my service. But up to 20, this is basically for those who have more between 10 and 20. Okay, late payments. This is perfect for you guys, and typically I will send you instructions how, what to expect and how to mail these out to the credit bureaus. But I actually go in and do the administrative process for you. I will show you where to pull your credit report. You send it to me, and then I will get to work. So that's how that works. All right. So last but not least, and this is really a really good one here. How to get a second Social Security number plus 1 week assistance. Okay, guys, this one here, normally I charge about $750 for this. Okay, $750. It could be yours for 99 bucks today. The second SSN pack includes over 80 pages as a DIY, guys. Okay, you get it in a PDF file. 2 PDF files, by the way. 80 pages. There's credit repair letters in there. How to know if someone is using your Social Security number. There's 100 names and numbers of credit card companies for easy approval. There's 13 reasons to choose from to qualify for that SSN. Forms, instructions, and templates, they're all in there. It's just the best package that I have. Highly recommend, but what it makes it amazing is not only are you going to get the DIY package, you're also going to get my assistance for a week. Okay, and guys, normally I charge $1.99 an hour. Okay, for my assistant, you're going to get a week. Okay, for $99. I hope you guys see the value in this. And I'm going to turn it up a notch as well. Buy 3, get 1 free. Now back to the Social Security number deal. I'm going to do a separate video on how important it is, because there's a breach there. Actually, I did one already, now I think of it. And a second one needs to be made. But do you know they have all your information? They have all your information. If you've ever paid anything online, they have your information, okay? If you ever filled out an application, and it's in the hands of the fraudsters right now. So it's highly recommended. Maybe you've been through divorce. Maybe you're a victim of identity theft. Maybe you have 6s in your SSN, okay? Maybe you have some weird, for religious purposes, type numbers in there that you don't like. Did you know you can qualify for all of those reasons? Okay? Maybe you're a felon. Maybe you have really bad credit. Okay, there's 6 reasons right there, guys, that you can qualify to get one of these. All right? And did you know once you get your new social security number, that all the debt on your original goes away. And you actually, yes, you sign off on a form, the SSA, you personally go in there, they'll send you an invitation if you get approved. Yes, we have proof of this, by the way, on my YouTube channel. I have 3 or 4 different videos from 3 different clients that will literally show you on video. They'll mention my name, everything like that, totally legit. They'll show you the before and after. They'll show you the letters they got from the SSA. They'll show you your old social, new social, all that. All that on my channel, guys. I've got proof. I got proof of everything. Okay, guys, so absolutely check me out. Don't forget to subscribe. I have a lot of people that are watching the videos and not subscribing. That is really, really important that you get this subscription. Okay, so that way you get emailed all the videos I upload. Alright, so to turn it up a notch, guys, the buy 3 get 1 free. Oh my god, guys, I've never done this before. We'll never do it again. That is absolutely amazing. And that would be any of these here. So if you want to replay the video, you can. Don't forget to enlarge it if you can't see it. But you've got a choice between the AI credit repair, the Grant Blast personal funding, the 10 packages, a consultation, car elimination, mortgage elimination, the primary trade lines, inquiries, late payments, and how to get second Social Security. You've got lots to choose from here, guys. Okay? Lots. You have 11 options, guys. And do not forget, do you understand how important it is if you tell, say you go to John's house for dinner tonight, and you tell him, by the way, I have a gift for you. Did you know that you can eliminate your mortgage? Well, guess what? I'm going to give you the package for free to learn how to do that. What if they need credit repair? Oh, you don't even have to worry about paying for it because you did it, right, for your friend. Gift certificates, guys. Take advantage of the gift certificates, okay? Let me tell you something. You'll bring that friend closer to you, or that sister or brother or whoever needs any of this stuff. Okay, I guarantee that probably at least one person that you know needs at least 1 or 2 or maybe 3 of these different services. Okay, so take the time, don't be lazy. All right, guys, just send them the link to this video. Let them watch this. All right, and then get together and see what you can do. But buy 3, get 1 free. Guys, that is a steal. So you're looking at getting 4 of these services for under $300. Okay? Under $300. So all 3 for $297. So you can get 4 of them free. Okay, 4 of them total. Buy 3, get 1 free. Okay, so to get this, how do I get this? You email me at colescreditrepair1@gmail.com. And please be sure to put the name of the service that you want, the exact name, not just part of it. Okay, put the exact name of what you want. These run through September 6, 2024. If you are watching this video after that time, don't worry, email me and we'll work something out. Okay, but I will always be offering these products and services here totally infinitely. Okay, so you guys don't have to worry about something being closed. Alright, so for additional costs, we do offer the mortgage. These are additional services. Eviction, foreclosure, elimination, the SSN application, grant services for business startups, first-time home buyers. These are grants. CPNs, sorry, I cannot do a CPN for $99. And then the credit sweep or more. So the credit sweep normally starts at $500. So that is totally different from the AI credit repair. But these are the services that are additional costs. If you email me before August 31st, 2024, mention a discount. Okay, mention a discount for one of these services here and I will give it to you. Okay, absolutely give it to you. Alright, but all of these here, the $99 deals, guys, you want to get in on it. Trust me when I tell you this. You can look at all my videos from the past, and I don't think I've ever offered any and all of these services for $99, maybe the credit repair. Okay, but I have not. This is a one-of-a-kind, very special deal, guys. So be sure, I want you to like the video, please, if you found value. Please subscribe, hit that all button so you get all of the videos sent to you through email. And I want you to share this out to at least 5 to 10 people. All you're going to do is copy the link in the browser to do it, and email or text somebody. Or you could secretly, get a gift certificate, guys, for one of these. And on the gift certificate, it's going to be super fancy. It will have their name on it, the name of the service, your name on it, and a little personal note and the expiration date. They're going to have 30 days to be able to get what you purchased for them. 30 days, okay, from the actual date. And that's all going to be on the gift certificate, and that's totally free. Okay. All right, guys. Again, email me at coolscreditrepair1@gmail.com. Please put in the comments, what product or service interests you. Put in the comments and also let me know where you're watching from. And I would love to hear from you. All right. And if you want a call about any of these, any kind of explanation, just email me your phone number. I will call you within 24 hours and we will set something up. Okay. All right. You guys have a great day. Stay tuned to the next video. I'm going to be talking about various things. I need to put a video out about my grant services for the next 30 days, which is going to be targeted towards people who maybe want to start a business, expand their business. You can get a grant on various things. I'll put that on the next video. I don't want to make this video too long. But absolutely, guys, if you want a copy of this presentation, just email me at coolscreditrepair1@gmail.com and I will throw it in a PDF file for you and send it to you. If you want to send this off to a friend or family member, and that'll be totally fine. And I also want to put in here quickly that I'm going to be offering and have been offering an affiliate program. Okay, that's totally free. Now, the affiliate program is going to, for referrals, all right, that you send to me. You'll get compensated for that, by the way. So that is on a whole nother video, but super exciting. And another reason why you need to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So you guys stay tuned to the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and you have a wonderful, wonderful day.